Check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, defogger, rear window electric, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, wheels, 418 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. All-Star Edition, wheels, 417 x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, 6-lug chrome style LED steel, tires, P265/65 R18 on off-road, white outlined letter, fog lamps, front, halogen, suspension package, off-road and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.